Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Ford van can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. To get started, we're going to prep the underbody of our vehicle. If you have a carbon canister on the driver's side frame rail, you'll need to remove it. To start, let's go ahead and point out our attachment holes. On the driver's side frame rail, we'll be using these 3 holes, and it will be the same on the passenger side. Right now we're going to bring our hitch into position using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as the hitch can be a little heavy. All right, starting on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and bring our bolts into place. Starting with the furthest one, we're going to take our bolt in block and we're going to bring it through the top of the frame rail. For our middle hole, we'll need to take an additional block and place it in between the frame and our hitch, and then we'll bring our bolt on through the top of the frame. And then we'll put our bolt and block in the last hole. And then we'll go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Now, starting on the passenger side, on all of our bolts, we're going to take the included spacer and nut and install those onto our bolts. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now with all of our hardware into place, we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts according to the manufacturer's specifications. For all the nuts, we'll be using a 22mm socket, and it does help to have a 22mm wrench to hold the bolt on top. Alright, so we went ahead and pulled the vehicle down onto level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. From the edge of the bumper to the edge of the receiver is 5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 16 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. Alright guys, that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.